Catalysis is a journal publishing original research articles on the themes of synthetic methods and enabling technologies. These methods and technologies will aid and improve the synthesis and fabrication of molecules, compounds and materials. It's really exciting to bring together chemistry and material science into one journal, especially articles that are right at the beginning of a researcher's journey towards making a useful product. The journal publishes monthly issues online. We're also pleased to be a transformative journal, giving authors the option of publishing through the traditional subscription route or via an open access route. Typical fields of interest for us are organic synthetic methodology, inorganic and organometallic chemistry, catalysis, biosynthesis, natural product synthesis and solid state synthesis. Moving to larger molecules and materials, the journal will also publish polymer synthesis and the fabrication of materials and nanomaterials. Also within our scope is computational methods, which would aid synthetic innovations, such as machine learning. We're also interested in enabling technologies, such as automation and synthesis and flow synthesis. As well as building up molecules and materials, we're also interested to publish articles on the themes of the recovery, degradation, recycling and upcycling of materials and chemicals. We publish two main styles of articles: method-orientated papers and target-orientated papers. For the method-orientated papers, we're looking for a significant practical advance over existing routes. This could be a fewer number of steps, it could be a general ease of synthesis, it could be a more sustainable route. In addition, experimental or theoretical studies could give more information about the mechanism behind the reaction and processes. For the target-orientated papers, it is the final product which is of interest. The product may be interesting because it's a pharmaceutical drug, or it could be a material to be used for separation applications. Or the final product could be interesting because it advances our conceptual knowledge in some way. We're interested in the scalability of reactions and processes. These types of articles will be of immediate interest to our audience in industry. In addition, these articles will bridge the gap between academia and industry by detailing what features and considerations are needed to take synthetic methods from the bench to a large-scale process. The editorial team is made up of in-house PhD level editors. Each editor has an extensive research background of their own and strong ties with that particular community. If you'd like more information about our aims and scope or on how to prepare a submission, please go to our website.